When you were diagnosed with PCOD,
I was not having my periods for at least 4 months. That's when I decided that, I should just go and visit a gynae, and he prescribed some tests. So I was detected PCOS back in 2014, and since then it's been a struggle for at least 7 to 8 years. The gynae suggested some hormonal pills. I used to think it was working pretty good because I used to have periods whenever I used to consume those pills. But whenever I used to stop, I used to have irregular periods again. I discovered Gynoveda online. I went through a lot of reviews. The women trying Gynoveda also wrote down a lot of reviews, and they were trustworthy. I thought maybe I should just give it a try, because first of all, it was Ayurvedic and it didn't have any side effects, which was the main reason for me trusting this brand. The last 7 months I'm consuming this pills. And then I started following the Gynovedic diet program. I lost a couple of kgs after consuming the Gynovedic pills and also following the Gynovedic diet program specially designed for PCOS. And since I have lost weight and also I'm having regular periods, I used to have breakouts in between due to irregular periods. Now I don't have. Skin is clear and smooth. So my message to all the women around the world is that just trust Gynoveda's 3x PCOS program. Just take the Ayurvedic medicines for at least 6 months. Follow the Gynovedic diet program specially designed for PCOS. Also, you'll get unlimited chat and phone support from the Gynovedic team. And as Gynoveda says, get freedom from PCOS jaldi nahi, just say.